In this video, I am going to share 4 reasons from my today's trade and how you can exit from the market with minimum stop loss. And also, especially for people who watch my entire video, I have the tip of the day. So, let's get started. Let's talk about today's trade setup. So, it was this way. I took entry short position at 9:58. So this is 5 minute time frame, so this candle should be 9:50 candle should be my entry. Price is 410. I placed a stop loss of 3 rupees, which will be 413, and I placed a target of 5 rupees. So till 4.5 it was a risk to reward of 1.58, and my stop loss was at this area because you can see here resistance at this area. Price took support as well as resistance here, you can see at this area, and continuously support at this area. So if the price crossed this 413 area, my stop loss hit. And reason for my target is like this rally we can see, so there were no support in this area. So if the market came down, it would have came down to this 405. So that's why I placed a target of this 5 points. And I also entered in small quantity. You can see here 100 quantity. So I first entered in small quantity and I wanted to check whether market is going in my direction. So that's how you can manage your trade, which will help you in increasing your win probability. And you can see here today's loss. So let me explain you how this trade went. Let's go to 1 day time frame. We'll know our first reason for taking today's trade. Now we can see BPCL in big red candles here. Also yesterday it made a inside candle, and I posted in our telegram group as well to keep an eye on this stock. These big red candles and yesterday's inside candle was the first sign of bearishness. The second reason for this trade is here in 5 minute time frame we can see here a hammer candle, hammer doji being formed, and with that was my second reason for going in the selling side. So the third reason is I saw price action at 2 minute time frame. So in 2 minute time frame we can see market opened here at this area 25th August 9:15. It went up, found rejection, came again an uptrend, and you can see small doji here. It came to this area, and the next time it came, it broke this pattern. So I saw a double top pattern here, and after that I took a trade at 9. Let me see. I took a trade at selling side 9:58 around at this area. This is 2 minute time frame. So 9:58 candle will come here. After that I went into trade and market went this low and started moving upward. For my fourth reason, we have to go to Nifty 50 and in big red candles here in 15 minute time frame, and it was making lower lows at that time. So I took a trade in the selling side looking Nifty 50 as well, and still it is making lower lows. So BPCL must be some news in BPCL, so that's why it is going upward. So now what the market has done, it has made a triangle pattern this way and a trend line from here. So it took support here and then it gave a breakout. So what should I have done, that I should have taken trade in the buying direction. It would be a good trade, good around 4 to 5 rupees to have here, but I didn't see that. I saw the price action, I saw volume, I saw the hammer candle, and I also saw Nifty 50 in the downtrend with the big red candles. So those were my reasons. And now let's move to the tip of the day. So to increase your win probability, we have to continuously take trade in one pattern. So what I do, I also take trade in triangle pattern continuously each and every day. So what does that do? It makes me used to that certain pattern. and again I take trades in trend lines. Whenever price breaks trend lines, I take trade in that. And other thing is I take trade looking at the candle patterns. So you also take trade in certain patterns which suits you, so that will help you increasing your win probability to take 50 trades, 100 trades continuously for each and every day. But what people do, if their pattern fails, they jump to another pattern the next day, and they won't be getting settled at certain pattern, and they won't be knowing their trading style. So today, if I took loss in triangle pattern, or if I took loss in price action, I won't change to indicators or some other technique. So that's it for today. Comment down all your doubts and questions so we can make a separate video solving them. And I have made a playlist called Learn from My Mistakes. In that, all my trades which went against my position, I have all posted in that playlist. So please watch that. Wins and losses are part and parcel of the game. So that's it for today. Subscribe the channel because I post new videos daily, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.